Alright folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. And I got a cool one here for you to check out now. If you all can do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, that would help me out tremendously so that other people can see this video also. But anyway, I got a really cool one here for you to check out. I'm Craig with Show Me Your Car.
Hi Craig, I'm Tom Marstall.
Tom, nice to meet you. All right, Tom, I was walking by your car here, and I seen this here. What kind of car is this?
It's a 1965 Plymouth Satellite.
A 1965 Plymouth Satellite. They don't even make Plymouths anymore, I don't think.
No, they discontinued. They do Chrysler now.
Okay.
That's my original plate. I bought this in 1972. I've owned it for 54 years.
No kidding, so original owner.
Original owner.
That is too cool. Now, I see that you got a bunch of pictures here.
Right.
Is that like when you're...
That's the restoration of it, yeah.
Okay.
So from 1997 to 2007, I did a full frame-off restoration on it.
Wow. I'll be darned. That's really neat.
That's a picture of me in 1972.
Okay. You know, these pictures are priceless.
I had it on a rotisserie at the bottom there, where you could rotate it 360
oh, yeah.
degrees.
It's up on the side and then up underneath. It's upside down.
Yeah.
Cool. Now, was this the original color of the car?
It is medium red pearl.
Okay.
Original color.
Gotcha. Now, what engine is in this thing?
This has got a 426.
A 426.
It's
huh?
a street wedge.
Okay. A 426 street wedge. That sounds like a pretty good size engine. Was that like something
pretty
that...
big, yeah. The 426 was a street wedge in 65, became a stage 2 in 66, and then they made the Hemi with Hemi heads on it for 66 and newer.
Okay, gotcha.
But this was kind of
wow, this is really cool. Let me take a look at the inside here.
It's all original interior.
Wow. This is really cool that you've had this since you were that young, you know? You said high school, right?
Right. These are actually a Belvedere Satellite. The Belvedere model was out earlier, and the Satellite came out in 1965. All the Satellite models had bucket seats and consoles. So
yeah,
they're the
and
sporty model.
Wow. Yeah, I see that. And it's got was that a tachometer down there?
Tach and a console, yeah.
And this is a Satellite.
This is a Satellite, right.
Okay. Now, I guess these are like original wheels, too?
Those actually are a little later. They're a 67 GTX wheel.
Okay.
So there's a set of 5 of them.
Nice.
I just always like those wheels.
Yeah, for sure. Well, this car is absolutely stunning. I tell you what, did you do the restoration yourself?
I did the restoration myself. I didn't do the final paint.
Yeah.
I do the final paint.
Yeah.
That's an original brochure from the factory, from the showroom.
Oh, wow.
And
that's pretty cool.
A couple of trophies. That's the Easter car show trophy.
Very neat. Very cool. I like this.
Thank you.
Now I see the logo, red, white, and blue here.
Right.
Is that something that the Plymouth did on there?
That's all original, yeah. That's,
okay.
I tried to keep it as original as I could. I actually had 2 of these.
Okay.
And I took the first and just stripped it down for all the nuts and bolts and screws and all the parts, and then I picked the best of both when I rebuilt it.
Oh, nice. Okay, gotcha. Really a neat story for sure.
Yeah.
Would you mind firing it up so we can hear what it sounds like?
Yeah.
Wow. That's got a really nice sound to it. Yeah, it does. Yes.
Been a lot of fun, I think.
I bet. What's your favorite thing about this car?
You know, I just had it for a long time.
Yeah. So it's like part of you.
Part of the family. I've been together with my wife for 50 years. I've had the car longer than I've known her.
Wow. This is really a special car for you.
Thanks.
Definitely. Is there anything else you'd like to show me on your car?
I mean, that's pretty much it.
I think we went over about everything.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I really appreciate you taking a minute and showing me your car. That was awesome.
Thanks for talking with me.
You bet. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. If you did, click right up here on the logo. You can subscribe there for free. And right on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch for watching. I really appreciate it.